Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs. Peter Pan's Neverland Adventure is a 3D attraction that takes guests sailing and soaring through the film's world. This new ride is in Tokyo DisneySea's Fantasy Springs. The attraction must be experienced via standby pass, Disney Premier Access, or a special ticket that comes with the Tokyo Disney Resort Vacation Package. Please like, share, and subscribe. When guests arrive at the Hangman's Tree in the queue, they pass by Tinker Bell flying past the sleeping Lost Boys, telling her not to disturb her. Peter Pan arrives and tells Tink that Captain Hook has kidnapped John Darling, leading him and the Lost Boys to save him by taking the boats and look for Wendy and Michael to recruit them in order for them to rescue John. The Lost Boys all agree, just as Peter tells the guests if they are coming to help him and his allies rescue John from Captain Hook and his crew. Just as the Lost Boys follow alongside Peter and Tinker Bell. Afterwards, guests proceed to board boats and grab 3D glasses for the ride.
I think it should be fast. I can get this. Oh, we have goggles, bro. It's like the one in.
Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist.
Please pull down, safety, but please pull down.
Guests board boats and arrive at the Lost Boys hideout where they are arguing with each other, and as they scatter, they proceed to fight off against Captain Hook and his pirate crew as they leave their hideout and march across the jungles of Neverland, following them down a river. As they sing following the leader all together while trying to board their boat, Peter Pan and Tinker Bell approach the guests, with Peter telling Tink to sprinkle her pixie dust onto the guests so they can fly with Peter. Joining him on an adventure to rescue Wendy Darling's middle brother, John, who has been kidnapped by Captain Hook and his pirates.
みんな揃ったね。じゃあ空を飛んでいくよ。リンク、妖精の粉をよろしく。さあみんな一緒に行くぞ。
When Tinker Bell sprinkles the boats with pixie dust, guests find themselves flying through Neverland on an unprecedented adventure that features iconic music and dynamic 3D imagery of the characters from the film. However, unlike Peter Pan's flight, guests fly over the jungles of Neverland, helping the Lost Boys on their adventure.
海賊に捕まったジョーを助けに行くところなんだ。ティンク、インカーベル。
Along the way, they encounter Wendy having an amazing time with a group of mermaids, encouraging Peter to play with them. However, Slightly tells them that they are on their way to save John, who was captured by a band of pirates, leading Tink to sprinkle pixie dust on Wendy to help her join the adventure, just as the mermaids wish them good luck. At the Indian camp, Michael is having fun with Tiger Lily bouncing on a drum together, but Tinkerbell showers some pixie dust onto him. Michael then asks Tiger Lily to give him his teddy bear, to which she does so. He then reunites with Wendy in the sky. However, Peter, Wendy, Michael, and Tinkerbell are ambushed by pirates firing cannonballs at them. Peter then tasks Wendy and Michael to save John, while Peter himself decides to take on Captain Hook. Peter and his friends fly onto the Jolly Roger where a battle with Captain Hook and his pirate crew takes place. During the battle, Mr. Smee is hiding in Skull Rock during the battle just before Tick-Tock the crocodile pops up below him. Back on board the Jolly Roger, Hook prepares to defeat Peter, but cuts a rope of the mast, causing him to fall off the ship, causing the Lost Boys to celebrate. Hook then finds himself being chased by the crocodile, trying to get Smee's help while Wendy, Michael, and John decide to return home back to London. Just as Wendy, Michael, and John fly with Peter on their way from Neverland to London, the song You Can Fly plays as they fly past the Big Ben and across the city of London. All of a sudden, Wendy, Michael, and John are brought back home with Nana happy to see them back just before Peter and Tinker Bell return back to Neverland.
さあ、ネバーランドに戻ろう。行くぞー。
Just as Peter and Tink fly to the second star to the right, the eponymous song plays with them, returning back to Neverland. Peter then congratulates the guests for joining him on this adventure with the help of Tinker Bell, while the Lost Boys are playing with the treasure they got from the Jolly Roger while Peter Pan wears Captain Hook's hat, recreating the moment where he became Captain Pan, just before Peter and the Lost Boys leave, followed by guests exiting the ride.
いつまでも子供のままでいてね。じゃあ、また会おう。
Thank you for watching.